Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of update on Google Meet. You will click on settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page, you will go here to above and you will search about Google Meet. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.